this will be the first video posted in 2019, and I figured why not start out with another gift card giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and like and comment on this video to be entered to win. We've had some pretty good success on the last few of these that we've done. I would have liked to have already hit 1,000 subscriptions, but we're only at 580 right now. However, our monthly average watch minutes is about where it needs to be. So I need to really focus on getting this pushed up there. So I figured we're going to start doing these every month until I get there. Hopefully we can hit the 1,000 before middle of this year and get that monetization back around this time next year. So let's get it together, I guess, and I'll have to make my New Year's resolution, new me, focusing on this YouTube channel and getting it where it needs to be. So thank you everybody who has been subscribing and watching the videos, and thank you to all you future people, the 8 of you who might actually do it and stay to watch these little crummy YouTube videos I put together. Hopefully when racing season kicks back up again and car show season starts again, we can start networking out a little bit more. So thank you everybody. Like I said, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel, and we will get some more content going every week. Thanks.
Behind me you'll see a car.